In this demonstration, I will be demonstrating how to cinch up the center of the ending of the pot scrubber so it looks similar to the beginning center. I have completed all the crocheted rows. Up to this point, it instructs me to cut, leaving a 6-inch tail. I'll do that now. And it can be approximate. Pull it through as though you're fastening off. Now you need, and make sure that the beginning tail is through the top. You will need it there. You will now be weaving this end tail around each stitch around here. Insert your hook into the back loop just like of the first stitch as though it's a row. Yarn over, pull the whole tail through. Go to the next stitch. Do the same thing. All the way around. When you get to the last stitch, keeping this tail out, now pull on this and cinch up that center. And that will gather those 12 stitches around into a center hole. Now to secure these, because they still can slip, and even this one can slip, pull on that beginning tail to make sure that's re-cinched up. Pull on the end tail, make sure it's tight. Then tie a square knot with these two tails. And pull them tight, and it should cinch up. Those center rings, so they shouldn't slip. So, and now need to pull the tails of these through. I like to just put my hook in the side, find a place close to those tails and